Watching BBBY on the Nasdaq. Already had a good old run up of over $1 here this morning. And at the moment bouncing around at yesterday's high, looking like it could go a bit higher. Just want to see it get through there, and if it does that, then be looking to take a long here. Get a bit behind it before taking a trade. Otherwise, there's every chance it would just bounce off and come back down again. We don't want to see that. Alright, did just set a new high there, but still really not showing enough room. Okay, that's better. Got along there at 27.81 on BBBY. Back here on BBBY, long from 27.81 as you remember. So had a nice little run up, and just want to take half of this off at the moment. Got a little bit of profit in the bank from that one, so we can loosen it off and let it run on. So come out off there at 28.31 on that. For what's that give us? $250 in the bank so far on that, and could be some more to go, so we can let that run on there. Alright, this is JPM, JP Morgan on nicely. Looking to take potential long here. Stuck around the $40 mark at the moment. Bouncing around there. But, some good signs that this could go a bit further. Alright, going to take a long there from 40.08 on JPM. APB here on the Nasdaq. Been watching this on and off this morning. It's had a good old run up with the spreads being very wide. That's now closed up to just 3 cents. Okay, 3 cents is a little bit more than what I like to trade normally, but this is moving quite nicely. Just keeping an eye on it, not really going yet. Okay, so spread's now down to 1 cent. Looking like this is putting in a bit of a move. Just made a new high today. So I've got along here from 1925 on this. Not expecting it to set the world alight. This is going to be one of them slow burn trades, I believe. Back on JPM. Does look like it's going through. Just come out half of that there. Sold 500 at 40.66, which puts $290 in the bank. Like I say, it does look like it's going through it, but you never know with these resistance areas how it's going to react. Alright, a few things going on with APB. We long from 1925, and stalled in around this area. Spread keeps opening, closing up again, around about 8 cents at the moment. So looking to take off at this point. In fact, that's dropping off, so I've closed out that old position there in one go, and took $310 on that. I'm having a little look here at Bank of America. View taking along. Alright, gone along there, 1037.09 on Bank of America. Alright, going long on Apple here, 156.66. Massive range on Apple, lows down in somewhere at 146. I already done over 158, so I already had over $12 of range on this share. And tricky one to trade at the best of times. I think I mentioned it before. But if you get it right, then it can be worth a bit of cash here. I'm going to close out the other half of JPM. Alright, just got a fill there at 40.85, taking another 385 on the second half there. BAC's had a good old move up. We're on from 37.09 down here somewhere, up at 38, nearly 38.09. So alright, there we go, just gone over that. So taking over $1 on that already. Good point here to take half of this off. So out 38.04 the first half of that, or nice 475 on the first half of that, and we'll see where that takes us now. We're going to close out the second half of BBBY. It did go slightly higher earlier on, a little trip back down, come back up again nicely. Seems to be getting a bit stuck around this $29 area, so it may go a bit further. I mean, stuff shooting off all over the place today. But got to play it by the rules, even if it does seem like you can buy almost anything today and make money on it. So I'm going to close the second half out here. So still there at 28.97 on that, taking $580 on that second half, BBBY. Just wanted to show you a lovely one, what I haven't traded, just because I've been too busy with the others. But another one that's got Fantastic range there. Look at that. Started off down there at 22.36, currently up at over $25. So a Citigroup on nicely. Days like this, there's too much to trade really. You can't get them all, and I know it can be very frustrating trying to catch everything, and unfortunately you can't, but that's part of the job. So anyway, just wanted to show you that because some of you may well have traded that one today. I hope you did, hope you got some of that. So this is Apple again, went long from 156.66, currently 158. Moving around quick, but just over 158. We're going to close this out now because this has been a bit bumpy, this one today. I'm going to try and get a reasonable exit on there. Right, we're going to do take half off there. Right, 158.74 for the first half, giving us just over $1,000 on that. And maybe we'll be able to get up there and get up to yesterday's low and close the gap. Anyway, taking just over $1,000 on the first half. We'll leave the rest of that to run a little bit longer. Just to show you we don't get it right all the time. Have another look at this JPM chart here. We closed out, or I closed out the second half of this round here somewhere, didn't I? Where was it? 40.85. I got rid of the last part of my position here. We've had another good old run up since then. So don't get it right every time, but as long as you take some money, that's what's the most important thing in it. So anyway, just wanted to show you that. Found that quite amusing today. So back here on Apple, my target here was always to get round about yesterday's low, and we've just about made it. It's around the 66 mark. Looks like we're just about to go through that. Still long 500. Alright, going out there. Just got to fill there at 3459.34. Going to close out last half of BAC, and we're out there at 38.63, which was $770 on sitting on for that. Let's have a quick summary look at the other trades there then. So BBBY, we had 250 on the first bit, 290 on the first bit of JPM, 310 on the first bit of APB. In fact, no, we took out all of APB, sorry, at that point, 310. JPM took the rest out there for 385, as we saw. That did carry on and run on for quite a little bit longer there, so just got to act on the information what's available at the time. Would have been nice to get more of a run on that, but you can only make decisions based on what you can see at the time. BAC took a 475 chunk on the first 500. BBBY closed the rest of that out, took another 580. And then Apple took just over $1,000, 1,040 on the first bit and 1,340 on the second bit of Apple. Just about round the target. Would have been nice to get a little bit higher up, but that was bouncing around there, so reasonably happy with that. And BAC finished that one up there at 770. So on the trades what I managed to get in there, made a total of $5,440 before commission. Which ain't too bad. Days like today can be dangerous because there's so many easy trades, can be tempting to try and take them all. You've still got to apply normal rules and money management, the rest of it. You've got to be careful where you put your money. You've only got a certain amount of capital, so you've still got to try and filter it and go for the best trades, even if there's loads of easy ones around. It's still worth picking the best of those easy trades. So good day to be trading. It was always going to be a good one today. We knew that before the open, and going to take a break there. I'm done. It's 20 past 11, so that's enough for this morning. Take a break, and as it is such an easy day to trade today, probably come back and do a bit more in the afternoon to just see if we get a bit of a rally, or if some of those fall back again in the afternoon session. Okay, hope you've been enjoying trading today. As I say, beautiful day to be trading. It was always going to be a good one. Speak to you soon then.